guys, are you guys seeing the setup? I know you are, so leave it down in the comment section and tell us what you think we're doing, but I'm just going to tell you. So today we are going to do a vegan Christmas cake, or if you know it as black cake, and these are the ingredients that we're using. So we have our counter flour, or cinnamon powder, mixed spice, baking powder, vanilla, browning or butter, and raisin and sugar. So as we go along, you'll see the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to get on with the weighing and portioning. Let's go.
Yes guys, so there again. So right now we're doing the weighing out of the flour.
So we're going to use 6 cups of the counter flour. So that's one already. Count with us in that comment section, right? Look at how it is leveled, right? 2.
And these are all the dry ingredients. We're combining all the dry ingredients together, guys. So just watch what we're going. Pay attention keenly, because we're giving you the instruction as we go along.
4. 5. How much more we need, guys? 6. Last and final.
Yes guys, so that's about it. So now we're going to add the mixed spice, the cinnamon and the baking powder.
Let's down this.
Give them a look.
All in there, guys. You don't know Chef Reid everything, right? Yes, guys.
So we're gonna give this a stir to get everything incorporated.
Nice and evenly distributed.
Alright, so I'm going to catch the clip. So now we're gonna move on to the wet ingredients. So forward. Yes guys, so right now we're going to weigh out the butter. And I want a pound of the butter. Let's see what's going on there. So right now we have 4 ounce, almost half pound. We have 4.58. Take a closer look at the scale.
Just a little bit more, guys. There you have it.
1 pound. So now we're going to add this in the yaba.
Yes, guys. Great in there, right? You don't know Chef Reid everything. Yes, guys. Everything, right? So you're going to get on the sugar.
And a pound of sugar as well, guys.
Right here. Accurate, right? Now guys, we're going to get on with the cream. So we're going to mix the butter and the sugar until they're one. So we'll soup forward.
Yes guys, look at that coming together nicely. So this is the creaming process, the butter and the sugar creaming together. Take a look.
Yes guys, and when this is properly creamed, you're not seeing any sugar particles, right? So we have a long way to go. Soup forward again.
Yes guys, so this is what it should look like when you cream the butter and the sugar. It's so fluffy and nice. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yes guys.
So now we're going to add the raisin to the dry flour and then add the flour to the mixture. So watch out.
Rest this to the side, guys. Flour mixture right there. Raisins, guys. We're just going to add it.
And then adding the raisin to the flour mixture as that it down sink to the bottom of at the pan when you're baking the cake.
And it can be evenly distributed.
Good. Alright guys, so we know the ketchup drift. So right now we're going to go back over to the wet ingredients and start adding the flour. So we're going to use the cup, the measuring cup, to add the flour gradually.
Yes, guys. Back on track, right? As I said, we're add it gradually. 1. We mix a little bit. All up in there. Make sure you get the edges everywhere.
And guys, we blend a cup of the wine along with some of the raisins, so you have both dry raisin and the blended raisin with the wine. So we're going to add that to soften up this before adding the rest of flour. So watch our part. And we're adding this gradually. And remember, when you're baking, guys, you add it in 3. You quart the flour. Yeah, that's a 3 quarts. Yeah, you put the flours in 3. The flour in 3 quarts, so it's easily distributed.
Look at that, guys. The aroma.
It's like a perfume to the kitchen.
And it's no exaggeration, guys. It's smelling
the
really
wine,
good.
the raisin, everything incorporating with the flour mixture. Oh my.
Smelling
It smells
really
like you can
good.
just eat it as it is.
But it needs to be baked.
And remember, this is vegan, keeping it healthy. However, think about everybody, and we reduce on the sugar, because normally we would use a cup and a half of sugar, but we reduce it to 1 cup. Just to
1 pound.
1 pound, I should say. Thanks for the correction.
Some more flour, guys. Guys, we done know the ketchup drift, so we are going forward back again when all this is properly mixed and we're putting it in the hands or in the oven. So forward. Yes
Guys, so
Look at
there
that.
again, consistency look beautiful.
That's what we want.
So now we have to add the rose and almond, 2 teaspoons. 1, 2, 1 teaspoon vanilla. So the fly boy and stop fly past.
Guys,
warm between.
Mix that in there.
Get that well incorporated.
Yes, guys.
And while we are making that get incorporated, we have to add the browning.
Yes, guys. And we have the oven preheating at the back, 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake this for
An hour and a half.
yes.
Or 1.5 hours, whichever way you terms it.
Alright, guys. So we're going to add
3 teaspoons of browning first.
1, 2, 3. Now we're going to mix this in gradually to see where we're at with the color, right? And bear in mind that we're using Grace browning. Some browning darker than some, so
I feel like we're going to add an additional 3 just by looking at.
yes, can take the additional 3.
So in all, that's 6.
1, 2, 3. So that's 3 first and 3 now. 6. Mix this in.
So I'm going to catch a drift. Now go see you back when we add
Alright,
these
guys, look at
to
that
the
color
baking
coming
pan.
now. Look at that second shade of brown coming now. Just look at it. That's what we want, right? Not too dark, you know. Nice chocolate brown or velvety brown. Yes, that's what we want. So forward. Yes, guys, so the mixture that we used can give us 2, right? A 10 and a 8, right? So we're just going to add these in the oven, and remember, oven temperature 180 degrees, and we're gonna place it in there for 1.5 hours. And guys, note, do not, I repeat, do not open the oven during that time. Right? So see you guys then. So forward. Yes guys, it's about that time.
Look at that. When I see the cake pull away from the edge, you know it's ready, but you don't have to test it.
Beautiful. The next one.
Look at that.
Yes guys. Clean. Ready. Yes guys, so if you remember, follow us on our Instagram, that's Globalist Interaction JA, no space. You can place your orders if you want bun and the cakes as well, you can get that. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang bang boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram, we can talk all business over there, right?